Hi, I'm Caitlin, and today I'll be showing you how to make an origami crane for S.T.E.A.M for teens. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it diagonally, like this. Then you fold it the other direction, diagonally, like this. Flip the sheet of paper over and fold it horizontally. And then flip the sheet of paper over and fold it vertically. What you're going to do now is you're going to take the square sheet of paper and turn it on its side so it looks like a diamond. And then you're going to fold the sides and the top of the diamond together to make a square base. So what you do there is you kind of take the side points and fold them in together, and then you're going to take the top and top of that and fold it so it looks like this. So as you can see, there's an opening at the sides and the bottom. Once you have your square base, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the top half, so like this part, on the right side, and fold it into the crease. So it looks like this. See how it's folded in? And you'll do that to the other side as well, to the left side. So it kind of like flaps. Then what you'll do is you'll fold the top flap, kind of so it looks almost like a triangular envelope, like this. And then you'll unfold the three folds you just made and pull out the top layer, so this part right here, for a squash fold. And so a squash fold means you kind of have to be really careful not to rip the paper. And you just kind of push the edges together so that it creates a kind of a diamondy fold. Again, being careful not to rip the edges, because sometimes the paper can be a little finicky here. So it'll look like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this side and put it on the table, so it'll be this side down, and you'll repeat the fold you just made. So the right fold to the crease, like this. And the left fold to the crease, like so. It looks kind of like a kite. And then you'll fold this side of the envelope down again. And, there we go. And then you'll unfold the creases again, just like you did before, and do another squash fold. So it'll look like this. Then on that same side that you just squash folded, you're gonna do one more fold to the crease. You're gonna take the side, the right side, and fold it to the crease again. But not the whole right side, just the top layer. So see how it's like split? Yeah. And then you'll do that again with the left side, so it's even narrower. And then you'll flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Right side, left side to the crease. So you can kind of see it coming together, like these are going to be the wings. And now here's the really tricky part, so I'm going to get in close so we can see this. You're going to kind of pop this out on the side and fold it up. So it's a little bit tricky because you gotta fold it up and to the right. You gotta get it at the right angle. So like that. See how it kind of goes inside the fold here? Since this one's already bent a little bit, we're gonna use this to be our head. And then for this side, you do the same thing. You just fold it up. Keep it folded and fold it into the crease. And once it's folded into the crease there, you can pull it out a little bit. And then you're gonna bend your wings. And you just made an origami crane. Good job, you guys. Thanks so much for coming to do your STEAM kits today and watching this video. If you have any other questions, you can always contact us at the Hinsdale Public Library. We're so happy you're here. Thanks so much and have a great day.